Hi guys, welcome to the video. My name is Somil Shah, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 6 tips that will help you to become a good programmer or might help you to write beautiful codes. So let's get started with this video. So tip number 1. So whenever you're writing code, remember you're writing code for human beings, so it should be readable, of course. So what I mean by that is whenever you're writing names for variables, don't write name known as $_val. That does not make sense. If you're reading it after like a month, you won't even come to know right what's going on. So instead use like txt_val, so you know it's text variable underscore val means it's a value, so that will actually basically help you when you are reading the code after like few weeks. That's tip number 1. Second tip that I want to give you is always when you are writing code, always write comments. So comments are very important. So if there is a certain function which is a little complicated, so describe that using a multi-line comments, what that function is trying to do, what the parameters are, what are the return type, what are the like return type, is it a list, it's a tuple, or what exactly. So writing comments is very important. Number 3. So the third thing that I want to share is always when you're writing code, make a readme file, that because whenever anyone sees your code, there should be some kind of documentation to tell what your code is doing. Looking at the code, how am I supposed to know what you have done, right? So a proper documentation or a proper good readme file with examples will help people a lot. So whenever another programmers are looking at your GitHub repository or your code, oh, this is a well-written code. He has written a README file. He has a documentation. He's explaining everything. Wow, this is a good programmer. We should like definitely hire this guy. So that's how you can write very good codes. That's the tip. Now, another tip that I want to give you is PEP8. So whenever you're writing any kind of code, so make sure there is two line difference between every function. After comma, there is a space. After equal to, there is a space. So like example where c is equal to a plus b, so where c space equal to space a plus b a plus b, so you know spacing is very important. This is how you can structure your code properly. Then one more thing that I want to tell you guys is, you know, when you at the top of the code, always write author's email and the version that you are working. Why this will help you, if anyone is looking at your code, they can say, oh, okay, this is an author, okay, so if I want to contact him, that's the email ID, so you can give it that in a list, right? So that's very important to do that. And version will help you to know what version you were working on, what updates you did in the code. So this will really help you a lot. So that's another tip. Now, a couple of more things that I want to share is basically, so whenever you're writing functions, try to write your code, try to make your code very concise, and don't write too long codes, you know. Try to make it compact, because that's what people want to see, you know, not like big lines of codes. Try to make it as compact as you can, with proper comments and stuff like that. That I want to share is basically whenever try to make your GitHub profile, always try to push your work on GitHub, because when people see, oh, they'll usually first check your GitHub account, and that's where people come to know how good of a programmer you are. So try to make a good GitHub profile, you know, start working on projects and stuff like that. So these are my personal recommendation that will help you to write beautiful codes, beautiful and concise code. So if you like the video, you can of course hit the like button. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and share this video. That will be really very appreciated. Thank you for your time. Thank you for taking out time to watch my videos. And as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can list them in the comment, and of course I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I do have a Facebook page where you can chat with me, where I can reply to you instantly. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys are having fun learning Python. See you guys next time.